The ECG function can no longer be started properly. This new Apple Watch Series 11 42mm model has a cracked back glass. Let's test the sensor functions before repair. First, the heart rate monitor. Second, the blood oxygen sensor. Third, the ECG test. We find that the ECG cannot be started properly, likely due to the cracked back glass. We'll test it again after replacement. First, power off the watch. Secure the watch in a fixing jig. Use a handheld grinder to break the back glass around the perimeter. Disconnect the flex cable connector and remove the sensor. Use a heat gun on low heat together with tweezers to remove the remaining back glass. Use a brush to clean off the glass debris. Use a cleaning stick to wipe clean the back glass mounting ledge. Similarly, use a heat gun on low heat and a scraper to remove the back glass pieces from the sensor. Clean off the glass fragments. Peel off the protective film from the new back glass. Position the sensor correctly and adhere it into the back glass. Apply a bead of specialized sealant around the watch's back glass mounting ledge. Reconnect the flex cable connector. Align and press the back glass back into place. Wipe away any excess glue squeezed out. Finally, place the watch into a pressure-maintaining machine. Apply ADC heat and maintain pressure for 15 minutes to restore the airtightness and water resistance. The watch repair is complete. And the back looks brand new. Now let's test the sensor functions again. The heart rate test works normally. The blood oxygen test starts and runs normally. Finally, let's test the ECG. It could not start properly before the repair. After replacing the back glass, it now starts properly and can monitor normally. The ECG function has been fully restored.